Hey, this is Jade Alpine Companies. We've got our sister wall poured. Looks really good. We're going to detail up where the new sister wall meets the windows. Do a little bit of tuck pointing. The bricks that were failing, you can see on this window right here, those bottom 4 courses were failing. So we had it engineered to pour it at the top of those failing bricks to give it just a little better structural integrity. We get a little farther along, I'll get a complete after picture. We're going to get this backfilled and everything detailed tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Foundation repair. This is Jade Alpine Companies.